So today I'll be showing you how to quickly recenter the Insta360 Luna Ultra. So maybe you've been playing around with the joystick and now the camera is just off and you want to recenter. Anytime you want to reset the or you want to recenter the camera, you double press on the joystick. So double press like this, and that normally recenters the camera. So let's do it again. Double press, just like that, and you can see it recenters. Sometimes you might have to do it twice because you might do it the first time and it starts tracking something. If you do it a second time, maybe it was like this, double press and it recenters the camera every single time. Thanks for watching and good luck.